Hi everyone, today I'll show you 5 important settings you should change right now on your AirPods Pro 3 to make them sound better, work smarter and protect your ears. So at the very beginning, open Settings application on your iPhone and let's start with number 1, off listening mode. So find and open your AirPods Pro 3 in Settings and scroll down. Here you will find off listening mode and just enable it and click OK. This is the new mode that sits between noise cancellation and transparency right here, and when you turn it on, it basically disables all sound processing, so you hear the audio exactly as it is with no extra pressure or digital adjustments. Perfect if you want the most natural sound, or when you are using just one earbud, for example. You can switch between them, and this mode is cool if you wanna make your earbuds last longer, just because just sound processing is not working in this mode, so you can save battery life. Okay, number 2 is hearing protection. Here, as you can see, we have hearing protection mode, and here we have even workplace use mode. So you can set it up to, for example, workplace protection with EN 352 certificate. So Apple added this to help you keep your hearing safe. When it's turned on, iPhone monitors how loud you are listening and automatically reduces the volume if it gets too high for too long. And it prevents hearing loss over time, especially if you are in noisy environments near the drills or something. And in this way, you can protect your hearing. Okay, number 3 is Personalize Spatial Audio. You can open Settings, then scroll down, and here you will see Personalize Spatial Audio. Click on it, and basically I have it set up, but for example I can click Stop using Spatial Audio, and now I can scan my ear muscle to personalize audio for me, for my hearing. So just click Personalize Spatial Audio and wait a bit. Okay, after a while you'll see this screen and click Continue. Take AirPods out of your ears to continue. Okay, click OK, continue. Click Start Capture and just take a look in your camera and just move your head firstly to the left, and you will feel vibration on your device while it scans your ear. Then move your head in the other side. And great, that's it. Personalized Spatial Audio was enabled successfully. So what is this? So this feature tailors the 3D sound effect to your own ears. It uses the true depth camera to scan your head and the ears, then adjust how you hear direction and distance in music and movies. It makes really huge difference. Everything sounds more real and immersive. But how to use this feature? To use this feature, you should open the control panel, find here your earbuds right here, and enable Spatial Audio. But to use Spatial Audio, you should use some, for example, apps for the music, and enable open some album, for example. And as you can see, here is on this song, for example, I have no Spatial Audio, but maybe not Imagine Dragons. Wait a while, I'll find it. Okay, when Spatial Audio is available, you'll see here Dolby Atmos icon right here. So open control panel, click on your earbuds, and here you can change the Spatial Audio mode. You can disable it just to hear original sound, like sound producer produced it, or you can enable fixed Spatial Audio or head tracked. And now when you're rotating your head, you'll hear, so your smartphone is the scene, and you can rotate your head just to feel like you in the, maybe, I don't know, in the cinema, on the concert. Okay, so this was thing number 3, but thing number 4 is noise cancellation in one earbud, and this is really a power feature. Just because sometimes you just want to use one AirPod and you want to call someone using one AirPod, and maybe when you're talking to someone or working, it can be useful. With an AirPods Pro 3, you can enable active noise cancellation on a single earbud. To do that, you just should open accessibility in settings, okay? Then scroll down and find your AirPods. Right here in accessories. Here, find your AirPods Pro. So find yours, and here activate this feature, noise cancellation with one earpod. And if you can't activate this feature, maybe sound protection was enabled. So unfortunately, it doesn't work with a sound protection feature. So you should choose one of them. Okay, so there you go. 5 simple tweaks that can totally change how your AirPods Pro 3 feel and sound. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Apple tips. And thank you for watching. Bye. See ya.